Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. My name is Sara Ahmed. I'm working with the project management team and today's session will be on project control. So let's start. First question comes to mind, what is project control? Well, project control is a process of gathering and analyzing the project data in order to keep both cost and schedule on track. It's a full process that we start by measuring the project status based on the data we have and then forecast the likely outcome based on our measurement and then improving the projected performance and the project performance based on the projected outcome if it's not acceptable to us. So, what are the things that we focus on when we talk about project control? The main three elements that we focus on are performance, cost, and time. So we have to ask ourselves now, what's the difference between project control and project management? The overlap in between the two functions make it difficult to differentiate between them. In fact, many organizations give the role of project controller to the project manager. However, it's very important to us to differentiate between the two in order to fully appreciate and optimize the role of project controller. So let's have a quick overlook and a review of the difference between project controls and project management. In short, project control is a sub-function of project management itself. And as we have said, it focuses on three things: performance, cost, and schedule. For example, if we are talking about people management and quality control, it's not concern of project control, but rather a project management. So project management is a holistic function. It involves managing people, process, and deliverable, and it also focuses on quality and scope, in addition to the cost and schedule as well. When we talk about the main objective of project control is to minimize the variance in the cost and the schedule from what we have originally planned. However, project management, because it's a holistic function and it's exhaustive in nature, it's aimed to successfully complete the project within the resources that we have. So let's head to the activities that we have under the project control. But before we do that, we need to know that the strengths of project control lie in the data-focused approach and its attention to detail. We have more attention to detail. For example, if we have a problem of cost overrun, instead of just wanting to know that there is a cost overrun, we rather want to know the root cause for that, the precise number, and how it can be fixed. So let's head to the activities that goes under the project control. The project control work on aligning the project that we have with the organization goal and objective. It also work on developing a work breakdown structure, the WBS. We have talked about that before. It also work on the initial project schedule as well and developing a risk management plan. We pilot the risk based on its severity and probability. As we have said, we forecast in order to improve the project performance. We also work on project budgeting and forecasting. We also work on monitoring project costs and feedback and reporting, and also optimizing the project strategy to have better outcome in the future. All this activity can be summed up under this process, which this process is defined project control. So project control work on project planning, it also work on budgeting, and it also work on risk management, it also work on change management, and it also work on forecasting and performance management, and finally project administration. This pretty much is for project control today. Before we go, I would like to propose a small activity. I would like you to head to our WhatsApp group and I would like you to answer one of these two questions or both if you want. I would like you to know, what is your favorite food? What is your spirit animal? And instead of saying my favorite food is chicken, for example, I would like you to answer just chicken in order to have a guess game. So let's do that until our next interactive session. I'm looking forward to your answer. Please don't be shy. I'm looking for your answer. And I'm also looking for our interactive session. And thank you so much for your listening. And that's it. Bye. Goodbye.